Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Deutsch zu lernen. In this video, you will learn German as a beginner. Let's start. Lektion 1. Lesson 1. Das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. The German alphabet is same as the English alphabet but have different pronunciation and special characters. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z A U S Z. Let's revise it again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z A U S Z. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.